What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to pull the motor out of this and pull it apart and see what I need to order. I need a new one of these. Now that I get the motor out, I can pull the head up by the jug. So the piston don't look too awfully bad. So here's a close-up on the piston. So you can kind of see it is kind of scored a little bit. Jug is in an awful shape. I got it apart. I'm going to see if I can get some stuff to measure the cylinder. See if I can reuse the piston and reuse the cylinder. Just get bigger rings or just new rings, see how worn out it is. I'm going to have to pull the head apart. I'm going to have to grind that nut, a groove into that nut. That way I can get it off. That way I can make sure everything in the head is good and see if that was the reason why it was burning oil. It was going through the valves. So thanks for watching, and until next time, see you later.